Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to start a business in Michigan, one of the first steps is setting up an LLC. And in this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step. Now, I'm not a legal expert, so I'll keep things simple and go over two ways to do this. You can either handle everything yourself or use a business formation service to take care of it for you. I personally use Tailor Brands because they make the whole process quick and hassle-free. So if you're looking to set up an LLC in Michigan, you're in the right place, and I'm here to walk you through it. Oh, and if you want to check out Tailor Brands, I've got an affiliate link in the description that gives you a discount you won't find on their website. That being said, what exactly is an LLC? A limited liability company, or LLC, is a type of business structure that is flexible but also gives you liability protection. By forming an LLC, you form a separate legal entity for your business, meaning your personal assets are separate from your company's liability. So if your LLC runs into any legal problems or even debt, your personal assets should be safe and out of the picture. LLCs also give their owners flexibility in management, taxation options, and the chance to bring in multiple owners known as members who can share in the company's profits and losses. All of these benefits have made the LLC a popular choice for many new and existing entrepreneurs. Now you can set up an LLC two different ways. Like I mentioned before, to start off, let's go through the process to do it on your own. So first things first, you need to choose a name for your LLC. Make sure the name you pick is unique and hasn't already been taken or similar to another business. Checking out the Department of Licensing and Regulatory Affairs through the Michigan State website is a good start, or a Google search would work too. When it comes to naming your LLC, Michigan has very few requirements. Of course, the name should be unique, and the name must have limited liability company either spelled out or abbreviated in the business name. On the other hand, it cannot have the words corporation, incorporated, corp, or inc. Next step, you need a registered agent. A registered agent's job is to be the middleman for important legal documents for the business from the state. As long as the individual is a legal adult resident of Michigan, they can be a registered agent for the LLC. Now, be mindful that an individual needs to be available during state business hours. So if your mind is drawing a blank on who can do that, there are services out there that can take care of this for you. So definitely look and consider all your options. Now we can actually move on to creating the LLC. Michigan does this by officially filing the Articles of Organization with the state. Your Articles of Organization will ask you for your LLC's name, address, your purpose, your registered agent's name and address, and the name of who is organizing the LLC. State fees are due with the application. The fee is $50, and you can file your paperwork online through the michigan.gov website by mail or in person to the Corporations Division Bureau office. Now, the next step is to create your own operating agreement. Michigan doesn't require LLCs to have one, but having one makes sure all the members are on the same page. Even in a single member LLC, it's still better to have one than not, since it's often considered a blueprint for your business and may help separate your business from getting confused with a sole proprietorship. Now, the agreement should have the breakdown in ownership, members' rights and responsibilities, how profits and losses are divided, what happens in the event of disputes in business, and the procedure if a member wants to leave or close the LLC altogether. Now, these documents are often called living agreements, meaning they can and should be changed at any time to show any changes in the LLC. Next, you need an employer identification number, or EIN, for your business. An EIN is kind of like your business's social security number. Having one is crucial to open a business bank account, apply for a business loan, hire employees, or even pay business income taxes. Getting an EIN is free and can be done online or by mail directly through the IRS. Finally, you need to get your business ready for taxes. Now, LLCs are mostly considered pass-through entities. That means the business itself isn't responsible for reporting and paying taxes. That responsibility is passed on to the owner or owner's personal tax return. Now, Michigan doesn't collect state tax if your LLC is considered a pass-through entity, but if your LLC is classified as a corporation, then your business would be responsible for the state corporate income tax of 6%. Along with these taxes, be sure to be prepared for self-employment and payroll taxes if you plan to have employees, along with sales tax. Now, sales taxes are applied to the sale of physical and digital goods and some services. Getting your sales permit is free, and you can get it online through the michigan.gov website. Right now, the tax rate is 6%. Now, how often do you need to submit taxes to the state depends on how much tax you collect. Filing requirements range from monthly to annually. Now, along with everything else we've talked about so far, you must file an annual report to keep your LLC active with a $25 fee. It's due by February 15th each year, but if your LLC is formed on or after September 30th, your annual report would not be filed until the following year. Now, if going through all of these steps on your own sounds overwhelming, there is another way to get this all done. Personally, there aren't enough hours in the day to get all this taken care of, and knowing me, I would most certainly forget to do something, which is why I chose Tailor Brands to form my business for me. So, if you're in the same boat as me, or you simply just don't feel like dealing with it all, there's an easier way, which is using a business formation service like Tailor Brands to take care of everything for you. Now, personally, I found Tailor Brands a better fit for me, but let's be very clear, there are other great services that I also tried out there like ZenBusiness, LegalZoom, and Swift Filing. So if you want to learn a little bit about them too, I'll go ahead and leave some review videos down in the description for you to go check out. So what's the perk of using Tailor Brands? Well, they have an AI-powered site that provides hands-on support to small business owners and help that can last even after your business is formed. They offer services from websites compliance and bookkeeping along with their popular formation services so that you can get everything from them for a yearly subscription or by grabbing individual services as you need them. So let's walk you through the process of applying for an LLC with Tailor Brands. The first step is to specify your state. On the Tailor Brands official website, you will find a Choose Your State field. Simply click on the drop-down menu and select Michigan. After that, click on Get Started. Then you'll have to type in the name you've picked for your LLC. On the next few screens, you'll answer a cluster of pretty simple questions. Essentially, these questions help the platform understand your business so they can get an idea of what your business will need. You'll also be offered a few services to make running a business a bit easier, like they can get your IAN for you, set up an operating agreement, and be your LLC's registered agent. You can get a domain name and access to a business template library, and you can upgrade to get rush filing in case you're, well, like me, a procrastinator. In terms of plans, there's 3 they offer, ranging from semi-do-it-yourself to Tailor Brands doing it all for you, getting your EIN and operating agreement. Once your application is processed, the application will be submitted to the state for you. So at the end of the day, the process doesn't have to be overwhelming. By letting Tailor Brands handle all of the hard work for you, you can have peace of mind that everything is being done correctly and you have more time to focus on your business. So this sums up both ways to set up an LLC in Michigan. By 1, doing it all yourself, or 2, having a business formation service do everything for you. Look, at the end of the day, I feel Tailor Brands is a great option for setting up an LLC for your business. The process is fast and user-friendly, not to mention the additional services that they do offer like logo design, website building, domain registration, and business cards. It just makes a bit more sense, and it's a more valuable resource for those who are looking for those tools than formation sites who only offer registration services. I would recommend Tailor Brands to anyone starting a new business who, like me, is looking for help with it all, from incorporation to brand identity. So for the convenience and a quick and seamless startup process where all you need to get started is a business name, Tailor Brands has you covered. And that's going to be it for today. I really hope you learned something. And if you did, then hit the like button and subscribe for more. And like I mentioned earlier, if you want to try Tailor Brands out, check out the affiliate link in the description to get a discount you wouldn't be able to get if you went straight to their website. And as always, I love hearing from you guys. What are your thoughts about Tailor Brands? Or do you even have a question I didn't cover? So if you do, please drop those down in the comments and I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.